In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts will look cleaner, work the way you expect, and save you time every time you sell something. Let's start by heading into your main sales settings. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings icon, then choose Account and Settings, and then select the Sales tab. This is the central place where you'll control how your sales forms behave. First, let's customize your sales forms. Under the Sales tab, look for Sales Form Content. This is where you choose which fields show up on invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. For example, you can turn on shipping details, billing and shipping addresses, or other fields your customers need to see. Think about what information your customers expect on every document and enable only what you actually use. Once you've made your selections, remember to click Save so those changes apply going forward. Next, manage how your products and services behave. Still in the sales area, find the Products and Services section. Here you can choose whether to show an SKU column, which is helpful if you track items with internal codes. If you're using QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, you can also turn on inventory quantity tracking, so QuickBooks keeps a running count of what you have on hand. This section is also where you set up price rules. Price rules let you automatically change prices based on things like dates or customer types, which is great for promotions, seasonal pricing, or special customer groups. Now, let's set your default preferences. In the sales settings, you can choose default invoice terms like net 15 or net 30, so due dates are set automatically. You can also pick your preferred delivery method, such as print or email, and add standard payment instructions. These defaults appear on every new sales form, which cuts down on repetitive typing and helps keep your communication consistent. To personalize customer communication, go to the Messages section. Here, customize the default email text that goes out with invoices, estimates, and reminders. You can decide whether you want to receive a copy of every message that gets sent, and you can edit the wording so it matches your tone and brand. You can also choose when reminders go out so customers get a gentle nudge before or after a due date. Next, set up automated features that streamline your workflow. Turn on progress invoicing if you bill customers in stages for a single job, like deposits, milestones, and final payments. You can also enable late fees to automatically apply a fee to overdue invoices. Set this up carefully, making sure the amount and timing match your business policies. Finally, customize your customer statements. Go to the Statements section and decide whether each product and service should be listed individually or summarized. You can also choose whether to include overdue amounts from older invoices on the statement. This helps you present a clear picture of what each customer owes. Once you've gone through these areas and saved your changes, your sales settings in QuickBooks Online will be tailored to how you actually run your business.